Earth's oceans. There are 5 major oceans that make up much of our planet. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. Water covers about 70% of the Earth's surface. The Earth's oceans are all joined to each other. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It covers 165,250,000 square kilometers. It also has the deepest waters. The Mariana Trench is 11,034 meters deep and 2,550 kilometers long. The Pacific Ocean has very bad weather. Many powerful storms form out in the open ocean every year. There is also a lot of volcanic activity in this ocean. In the Pacific, there are many small volcanic islands such as Hawaii, Tonga, and Samoa. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It covers an area of over 82 million square kilometers. Under the Atlantic Ocean lies a mountain range called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. The Indian Ocean is smaller than the Atlantic. It covers about 73 million square kilometers. It usually has gentle breezes. However, from the months of April to October, monsoons form over the ocean. They carry a lot of rain into India that causes terrible floods. The Southern Ocean is the 4th largest ocean. It covers an area of more than 20 million square kilometers. It is a very cold ocean because it is near the Antarctic and much of it is covered in ice. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest of all 5 oceans. It covers about 14 million square kilometers. It isn't as deep as the other oceans. It is one of the coldest oceans. Ice covers the central part of the ocean all year round.